Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I am planning for the week beginning October the 4th to the 10th using this kit from PaperCandyArt called Ghosted. So as you can see, all my extenders and stuff were already pre-done because I kind of planned out where I wanted everything and did the extenders because I struggled the week before, so I wanted to do them off camera. So I've paired this kit with another what is it called? PlanWithAds foil bundle. This is the same foil bundle I used last week, but this one is in a lavender hollow. She was like, she doesn't usually offer lavender hollow, but the week she released this foil bundle, it was like a weekend only thing where she would offer it in lavender hollow, which is why I ordered it straight away because I knew it would look great with this kit. And once again, I colour blocked again, which I absolutely loved. And same thing happened with the sidebar as last week. I need to bring some extra stuff and an extra glitter header because I didn't have enough in the kit, because I always get a mini kit from PaperCandyArt. I don't think I mentioned that. And yeah, so how many weeks? I was 19 weeks pregnant this week, so my baby was the size of a tomato, which is so funny to just think about, like how the woman's body works. At the top, the October script is from Hannah, if I didn't mention it already. And yeah, so I didn't have enough full boxes for all of the boxes in that I used because I kind of wanted to use every single box that was in the kit, which is why I have so many extenders that just have boxes in it. I didn't really need extra boxes in the day for most of them. So I just added some of like the deco, and I cut up some of the headers actually in this one to use as deco or overlays in some of the boxes. But yes, I'm gonna let you guys. Oh, actually, we're at the end, so I'm just gonna get started with the day by day. If I finish early, that's fine. So starting with Monday, I used a schoolhouse sticker from What's With Love and a work script from the foil bundle to note working. So this work, like my work scripts and work icons kind of didn't match, but I did the best I could. So yeah, I have some that match now from Carly Plans. By the time I filmed this, I didn't have that. But anyways, moving on to the next one, I used a balloon sticker from from the kit to note the kids were excited because I had returned back to work from having to isolate the week before. I then used a pillow sticker from the kit to note being really tired, and then I used a phone icon from the foil bundle to note that WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram was down this day. I used this pill sticker from the kit to note that I had to go and get my flu jab after work this day. I then used this cold character from Olive Studio to note that it was really cold. I used a script from Adorably Amy Designs to mark that, but I don't know if I did it on camera or not. I then used a pizza sticker from the kit to note killing pizza, and then a feet icon from Hannah to note that baby boy was kicking lots this day. On to Tuesday, I marked being really sleepy with a girl from Fox and Cactus. The pastel girls worked really well with this spread, or with this purple colour. I then used a pregnancy girl from Teddy Plans Co. to note, I'm sorry you can't see, naughty me, thank God I realised, to note that I was having some leg pain. I then used this backpack character from What's With Love to note work. This one matched a little bit more because the backpack has purple on it. I then used this munchkin, thinking about someone, to note missing my husband. I used a couch sticker from the kit to note that it was a relaxing day, chill day at work, nothing too stressful, which is always good. Then used the TV icon from the foil bundle to note binge watching some Bones. Into the extender, I used a couple sticker from the Whimsical Studio and a Time for Snuggles script from Randy.Plans to note cuddles with my husband. And then I used this Glam Hannah couple binge watching sticker to note that we watched C. So we kind of did the two things simultaneously, but I wanted to mark it anyways. On to Wednesday. So at the top I have extenders, but I was just to use extra boxes. So first thing I marked was being really tired with a bed sticker from the kit. And then marked being a moody madam, that's a custom script from Kylie Plans, with a crying girl from Olive Studio. I then used another half sticker from What's With Love to mark work. I might do my observation with a planner girl from Simply a Mess, and an observation custom script from PaperCandy. So I do have a code. I don't know if it still works, but use the code IDI215 to get 15% off your order at PaperCandy. And then I use a house sticker from Kylie Plans to note going to my mum's house. No, finally going home actually. Then I used the binge watch sticker from Pink Diamond Planet Co. and a binge script from the kit. You know, binge watching some Plan With Me's probably. And then use a TV icon or computer icon from the kit and a YouTube binge script from Radio Plans to note a YouTube binge. On to the 7th, I noted it being a warm day with a sun sticker from Planner Kate, I think from ages ago. And then noted having lots of energy with a happy pregnant girl sticker from Stick With a Plan Girl to know I had lots of energy, which was not normal for me. So I wanted to mark it. I marked work again with another munchkin with a backpack. I then marked one of the mums of my students realising I was pregnant for my face with a laughing sticker from, or winking sticker from Pink Diamond Planet Co. Another extender which is just for the sake of boxes. I then marked making pizza a cooking club with a pizza icon from the foil bundle. I noted binge watching more bones with a TV icon from the kit. Then marked a YouTube binge with a IMAX sticker from the foil bundle, not from the foil bundle, from the kit, and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. I marked more cuddles with my husband with a couple sticker from Stick With a Plan Co. and a Time for Snuggles custom script from I Need Up Plans. On to Friday, I marked being really sleepy again with a pastel hair character from Fox and Cactus. I then marked feeling blah with a custom script from Kylie Plans and a crying sticker from Papershire. I then marked school with a schoolhouse sticker from What's My Love. I marked having some back pains with a joy planning girl. And in the second half of the day, I marked that my husband got a pay rise with a wallet sticker from the kit. I think my camera cut out and I just jumped, sorry. And then I used a TV icon from the hit to note binge watching bones, and a burger sticker from the foil bundle to note getting some food. And then I marked nap time with the bow divider sticker from the kit and a nap time sticker from the kit also. Luckily I didn't skip too much when I stopped filming. On to Saturday, I do have a day extender that I used. On the top of that I marked a lazy day with a Miss Moss gal and a lazy day script from Camp Loves Crafts, I think it's called. Then I use another glam planner sticker to note me and my husband binge watching C. I marked binge watching bones with a laptop sticker from the kit. I marked making some brekkie with the toast and jam sticker from Mr. and Mrs. Minko. We probably didn't have toast and jam, but this was just the thing that matched the most. I then used a planner sticker from the kit to note a Plan With Me binge. Then noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button sticker from Kylie Plans and a YouTube binge script from the Honeybee Shop, which I'm pretty sure I didn't put in when filming, but it's there now. I then used this prime sticker from Kylie Plans to note doing some more baby stuff, which was probably looking at stuff, adding stuff to the registry, getting myself ready. On to Sunday, I marked sleeping in with a Fox and Cactus sleep sticker and a sleep in script from the kit. I then marked a YouTube binge with a GB Studio binge watch girl and a YouTube binge script from I Need Up Plans. I then marked my husband going to play football with a trainer sticker from the kit and a, oh no, I didn't use the script, I wrote that in. There's another extender in this day, but of course it was just full of the boxes. Use a laptop sticker from the foil bundle to note binge watching some bones. Use a popcorn sticker which might be from the kit to note a Plan With Me binge. I then marked cuddle time with a couple sticker from What's My Love and a cuddle time script from SBC. I love her new scripts with a duo font. I love it so much. And I use another Kylie Plan baby sticker, but this time it was a baby grow to note doing more baby stuff, which was probably registry related. So that was the end of this spread. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I'm loving colour blocking. Sometimes I struggle finding the stickers, but I'm enjoying it nevertheless. Ooh, somebody's waking up. Let me just wrap this up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And yeah, in a second I'm going to show you guys a bit of a wiggle and what's left of this kit, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.